hungry. Look at his little mouth. Ah, too funny. Feed me, Mama. You just work so hard. Where's my worm? Regurgitate a bug into my mouth. Where are you? Feed me. Feed me. He looks really tired. Hopefully, since I scared Mother away, maybe Baby here can, or maybe she'll have some time to go catch some bugs. Feed this poor little guy. He's got a face that only a mother can love. Where's that? Ah, feed me. I'm so hungry. Tired. That's how I feel. Hungry and tired. That's just pathetic. Poor Mama. He looks a little more feathery. I guess his feathers are probably dried out, now they're fluffing up. There you go. Oh, I'm so hungry. Feed me. Tired. Oh, I'm hungry. Feed me. Ah, tired. Ah, tired. More food. Food. Tired. Food. Alright, I better leave him alone.